Do this before bed for better sleep and less stress. If you struggle to fall asleep or wake up feeling exhausted, your nighttime routine might be the problem. In this video, you'll learn a simple, science-backed bedtime ritual that can help you sleep deeper and reduce stress naturally. Why sleep suffers. Common culprits are screens, stress, caffeine, and overstimulation. Your brain needs signals to shift into rest mode. This routine gives it exactly that. Step 1. Dim the lights. Reduces blue light exposure and helps melatonin production. Try warm-toned lamps or candles 1 hour before bed. Step 2. Drink herbal tea. Chamomile is a natural sedative, and Tulsi basil reduces cortisol. Sip slowly about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Step 3. 4 to 7, 8 breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, then hold 7 seconds, then exhale 8 seconds. Slows heart rate, lowers anxiety. Do it for 2 to 4 minutes. Step 4. Screen-free time. No phones or screens, 30 minutes before bed. Light suppresses melatonin. Content overstimulates the brain. Read, journal, stretch instead. Your body loves routine. Doing this consistently trains your brain to associate these steps with sleep. Better sleep doesn't require sleeping pills. It just needs better habits. Try this for 1 week and let us know how it works for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Healthology for more wellness that actually works.